Hi everyone. So this is my third video where I'm exploring this Lovable.dev and trying to maintain my application website where I am allowing you to take match the pair kind of quizzes. So first day I created the website. I was very happy about it. The second day I tried to fix some bugs and I fixed something and something is still pending. Today I was thinking of continuing bug fixing, but after talking to my customers who are using that particular application, that bug is not looking that critical. So I'm not worried about that anymore. And I'm trying to improve functionality. So this one is also a little tricky thing. Let's see, can I really achieve the objective which I have in my mind? So thing I want to show you is that I have my 5 credits today. Yeah, so this is something I am left with. So these are 5 credits and I got it in last 24 hours. And that is what I'm trying to use. And let me open the project which I edited at 23 hours ago. Same project I want to work on. So let me give you an overview where my project is right now. So you can see that I can take a quiz, start a quiz. Right now I have uploaded 25 questions and my customers are asking me to upload more. But at the same time, I am also concerned if someone is taking these questions, they may not be able to do it in a one go. And when they come again, they may want to start from a particular point rather than just starting always from the beginning. So as our number of questions will increase, I am expecting the demand for taking subset of this match the pair quiz will come. So I am exploring if it is possible by guiding this thing where I can say that, okay, probably I can choose the number of question I want to take rather than I do it based on what I feel is right. So I want to go and say, is it possible that we can possibly define something here that when I'm starting the quiz, I want to do this question till this question. Yeah. So that is my objective. So I still need to figure it out. How do I prompt that particular objective to Lovable.dev? But this is where I am starting with. So as usual, I'm not trying to directly go to Lovable. As usual, I am worried about my credits. So what I'm doing is I am writing my thoughts in the Word file, which I will put into ChatGPT and create a prompt, and then I will take it forward. I'm not giving any file references of the code. So I'm explaining in a business language as much I understand. My objective is to create prompt to add functionality to my project, which I have built using Lovable. And the current project allows me to run match the pair quiz after extracting the questions from the Google Sheet. The questions are equal to number of rows in the Google Sheet. Now I'm looking for options where I can give start and end question number before I start the quiz. The problem I am facing now is that I have many questions in the Google Sheet and I want my user to allow part of it to take use. I want my user to allow to take, yeah, part of it as a quiz. So say one can say start with 5 and until 15, then the start can be minimum 1 and end can be maximum number of rows, excluding the header row in the Google Sheet, which is working in the working as a data source for this. On the start page, say index page, we have a button which gives option to start the quiz. I'm looking for that at the same place we can have a start and end question number written. Both will be included in the quiz. Means if I say 1 to 10, then question 1 and 10 both are part of the quiz. In the beginning of the start number can be 1, which can be modified, and end number could be based on number of records in the Google Sheet, excluding the header row, and can be modified. So when person starts the quiz, after modification, yeah, we show the subset of data as per selection. That's something I'm looking for. So if done this way, we need to ensure that only selected number of questions are displayed for the person to take test. And when the result comes, it should only come only based on the selected data set for the quiz. This is something I am writing because I want to be explicit that in the result also you only need to show that much only. Yeah, so that's something I am writing. Let's see how it works, but this is a little critical for me. If it spoils my project, then I probably will not deploy it. Yeah, it is no more that simple, because my customers already started using it. They are liking it. So I probably will limit the number of questions in case I fail here, but let's see. So step one, as with my last two videos, if you have not checked those last two videos, you can find the link in the description, because it will give you the whole flow of what I have been trying to do with this no code platform. So creating prompt, I need to draft a detailed yet concise. Got it. The tight copy paste prompt, start and end questions. The user choose the question range. Okay, before starting the quiz then load only the subset of the rows from the Google Sheet and compute results based only on that subset. Yeah, pretty clear. Yeah, than me writing it. So context existing app data source Google Sheet, one row equal to one question. First row is a header, exclude it from the count. Current row index page, start quiz page, match the pair, randomize left, right, results. Left and right options are randomized per question, retain that this behavior. What to build? Yeah, start question. Add two numbers input side by side above the existing start quiz button. Start question, default one, end question, default total number of rows. Yeah. Okay, compute from the sheet at a load time, exclude the header in the count. Okay, show the help of text. Yeah, available questions, total rows, validate something simple, disable the start quiz, then validation. That's a simple thing. And I think this is total question is equal to n minus start plus one. It is giving a little bit more clarifying things, and hopefully store start and end in the quiz query pattern. App state should be soft navigation, keep them on the index reset page. Yeah, I think it is just adding some more detail. I won't implement the code. I think it may get confused, the thing. I can take the acceptance criteria, default thing, this on compute. I think this is good. I won't focus on okay, I think light design option I can take. Yeah, so that's it. I'm not thinking of taking the hint code. I will remove that. Yeah, that is, I'm little worried because it should not create confusion. Uh, because I have not shared the code this time with ChatGPT. So the hint should not become a trouble. So I'm taking it in my notepad and first deleting the hint. Implementation note. I'm removing the implementation notes. That's it. I'm going with acceptance criteria, light design options. Let's see. But I'm little concerned this time because I really want this to work. Let's see. So moving forward, going here. This time it is directly implementing. Yesterday it gave the plan first and then took another prompt to say implement now. Looks like this time it is directly going ahead with that. I don't know it's a good thing or bad. I can see it's directly editing the stuff. Okay, UI got changed. Great, looking good. It should work. Yeah, UI is looking good. Okay, so this is done. Let's do it. Start quiz. Oh, but I have selected all 25. I go finish, restart the quiz. Okay, minimum I have to give 2. But I want to write 3. How do I write 3? Oh, this way. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Great. Iteration review. I can say demonstrate, inspect. This time I want to be a little serious. So iteration review, iteration retrospective, iteration planning, daily stand up. Next. Was good. Okay, portfolio, mission, strategic alignment, business strategy, submit answer also this time. Okay, but I go to next without seeing the preview. I want to do it properly this time. Planning outcome, process of planning, tangible deliverable, results, business value, output, benefit realization. Okay, finish quiz. That problem is there. The last question is not getting submitted. I should have clicked submit button, but I'm happy. Yeah. So we can do a subset selection here. Great. So this was success and I will just host it. And I think I stopped this series now. I think I got what I wanted to get to start with. And if you are our PMP customer, please use it. Even if you are not our PMP customer, you can use this quiz. And yes, the link you can find in the description. And now I will give a little serious look to using these no-code platforms because they seems to be working okay. Yeah, there is little glitch of the last submission, but I think people are not that much concerned about it. So I already published. This is the URL now, and it should be loading. I got worried. It has increased the load time because it is querying to the Google Sheet to in the beginning itself. That's the difference. Earlier we were doing later. So I can say, okay, there is this option also. Okay, great. Yeah, this is something is also available. 3 to 9. Okay, question number 3 to 9, question 1 of 7. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, and you can check our previous videos in the description of this particular video.